Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're going to take a real quick look here at a brand new 2024 Coachmen Catalina 323BHDSK travel trailer here. This is a 2 slide out bunkhouse travel trailer with an outdoor kitchen, as you can see here. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of run you through the inside and outside. So we're going to start here on the inside first, and then we'll come back to the outside and kind of show you what this thing's all about. So going up into your new Catalina, you got that large folding grab handle there by MoreRide, and the heavy-duty MoreRide entrance step as well. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up, you have a slide out here in the living room kitchen area and one back in the bunk room as well. So let's get started back here in the back, and then we'll kind of work our way forward. So back here in the kids' room, you're going to have a slide with a flip up and down bunk and a jackknife sofa that will also make a bed as well. But that bunk goes up during the day, so you got more headroom to sit here. You have all vinyl floor back here in this area. Window in the back. Does open. Got a little TV area over here, a little ladder built in, some storage, and another overhead bunk. Window over there also opens. Now this one was also ordered with the second GE air conditioner as well. And that's what it looks like with the bunk down. You have a little window up there as well. But plenty of room back here for the kids if you're stuck in here on a rainy day or something. Now going forward a little bit, we are going to have the bathroom here on the right. And you have an entry-exit door going in and out of the bathroom. Vent fan up there. Little medicine cabinet area, sink area, foot flush toilet, and then you're going to have the step-in shower here, ABS tub surround, skylight up above, and basically a curtain for your shower area. Just outside the bathroom door area, you do have the electric box with the breakers and fuses down here. A little bit of shelf space in some cubby area. Maybe set you up a little coffee bar or something there. A little bit of storage up above. Digital thermostat on the wall right there for the main ducted air conditioner and your propane furnace. Over here you're going to have U-shaped dinette that will go down and make into a bed. So if you have extra guests, they could sleep here as well. You have storage underneath of that dinette area. You have pull down pleated shades here in the living room area. Lots of windows in that slide as well. And then you're going to have a sofa that will flip out and make into a bed again, so extra guests could sleep there as well if you wanted. They're currently using the GE 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. You have the GE microwave, hood range light and fan, and the GE oven. So you kind of get the idea, a lot of GE appliances in the Catalina product. Over here, you're going to have a pretty good size pantry area. Electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater there. You have a JBL stereo right there with indoor-outdoor speaker. And plenty of room for a large TV up here, and also prepping for a Wi-Fi Connect that you could also add aftermarket as well. Little vent up top. Into the master bedroom area here, you got hanging closet on each side with some overhead cabinet space. Electric outlet and USB charger ports on each side of your queen bed here. You're going to have window on each side of the bed and both the windows open. There's TV hookups up here as well. AC and heat both ducted into the bedroom area. The bed will raise up and there's storage underneath of there as well. Down here on the side of the kitchen area, you're going to have propane leak detector, a little bit of storage down there, and then you also have the little brain box here as well. And this basically has your slide controls, your awning control, water heater on gas or electric control. You got some light switches, your holding tank readers, battery condition, and a Bluetooth connector. There's an app you can download and control parts of the RV. So let's step back outside. We got a couple cool features to show you out here as well. So this particular one was also ordered with the BAL 5.3 auto level jack system. Very cool feature and very hard to find on a travel trailer is auto level. So you have a really nice power jack, which is kind of the brain for controlling the auto level jacks. You're going to have stabilizers that are power here in the front, and then two heavy-duty auto-level jacks in the back. So what actually happens is it auto-levels off of the front tongue jack and the two behind the axles. So they kind of do all the leveling, and then the stabilizers kick in and come down after it's all level to just kind of help it. You're going to have a pass-through storage area right here. This one was ordered with the solar feature, so you got the 30 amp solar charge controller right there and a 200 watt solar panel on the roof. Again, that heavy duty MORryde step and grab handle. You have a large power awning here with a multi-color changing LED light, adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. On this model here, spare tire mounted underneath the bottom. Does have an enclosed underbelly. Aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. You have the 6-gallon GE gas electric water heater right here, cable outlet, and also electric outlet here. Furnace exhaust out right here, stove exhaust out right here. Two JBL speakers up high right there. Again, deep tint safety glass windows. You have a metal fender skirt here instead of a plastic one, so it's much less likely to have issues where those plastic ones sometimes dry rot and crack over time, or if you do happen to fling something up with your tire, you know, it's less likely to get damaged than those plastic ones. Again, heavy duty step back here, even on your bathroom entry exit. It's kind of nice having this bathroom door here, so during the day the kids can run straight into the bathroom and not trek through the whole RV. You have a little pet friendly leash latch holder down there. And then again, you have this really cool outdoor kitchen. So you got the Suburban griddle. Just down there where that little tag is hanging down, there is a gas line hookup right there for that griddle. You got a couple drawers here, a mini fridge, hot and cold outside sink, and some overhead storage. The door there kind of helps act as a little bit of an awning to shade it when you're actually using it. You're going to have a little flip down luggage rack thing here on the back as well. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. It is prepped in the top center up there for the Furrion rear observation camera. That is a nice safety feature to consider adding to the RV. Just basically kind of let you see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into your campsite. It does have a nice arch to the roof, so it's not a typical flat roof like some RVs. So it's just going to try to help shed away that water or snow or whatever a little faster. And you're also going to have prepping in the top left corner there for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. Now right down here, you're going to have two separate drains, so you can kind of see that underneath of there. Multiple handles there to pull to dump your grays and your blacks and stuff all right there. Now another thing you might consider when doing an RV like this is also slide out awning covers. Those cover the tops of the room so that they basically are shaded, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, and stuff like that. Those definitely come in handy if you're moving around every weekend and stuff, so you don't have to worry about climbing up there and sweeping them off and kind of doing all that extra work. Hot and cold outside utility shower right here. This one was ordered 50 amp service, so it's got a 50 amp detachable power cord right here, and also your city water connector right there as well. Hot and cold low point water drains just behind that rear auto level jack right there. Just in front here is the cable inlet. This is an aluminum sided, wood studded constructed RV. Now right here is going to be some real important informational stuff for you when you're looking at these RVs. Right here you're going to have your production date sticker. Tells you when the RV was built. So this one was built 4/25 of 24. Model number 323BHDSK. They got quite a few extra ones on this one compared to what's usually by the door. You're going to have a gross vehicle weight here of 9,500 pounds. That's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Don't exceed that. You have an exterior length of 36 feet 8 inches. It had a dry weight with all these options on it, it says, of 8,398 pounds. So again, we're almost 8,400 pounds here with a 9,500 pound gross weight. You have a tire size of ST 225/75 R15 D range tires with a 65 PSI cold. You're going to have two 20-pound propane tanks with the hard bottle cover here. You can see that power tongue jack again has that large foot on it, and then you have a lot of controls through here. Also does have a manual override as well, in case of an electronic failure, but it'll even tell you like your battery condition, and you can kind of go into manual mode, or you can go back and kind of go through the whole auto modes and stuff, auto reconnect, but a lot of instructions here. There is room for one or possibly two batteries depending on the size of your batteries. You also have a battery disconnect right there. Lower diamond plate metal with a smooth upper metal front. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They were the #1 selling travel trailer and fifth wheel dealer for 2023. So be sure to check them out. They definitely should save you some money. Thanks again.